Hi guys, it's Claudia and welcome back to my channel where it's always a pleasure to have you lovely people with me. In this video, loves, I had to share with you my two products that came together very unplanned, very extemporaneously to create a defined look that shook me, that left me shook. I was like, oh my goodness, I have got to do a natural hair video tutorial on these two products just to show you how well my curls were defined in this twist out. A twist out that I created 2 weeks ago and decided, hey, I've got to film this. So I'm filming it this afternoon. Whew, okay, and my hair takes a while to dry, so we're going to let it dry throughout the rest of the evening and on Wednesday, and then on Thursday it should be dry, and I will show you guys. I'll take it down, take the hair down to let you see just what it looks like and how defined the curls. So I'm going to spritz a little water on my hair, even though I co-washed today and deep conditioned, so my hair is in tip-top shape. This first product is what my oldest sister shared with me. Now this product is African Pride's Shea Miracle. It's a moisture intense bouncy curl pudding. It's a moisturizer, and I have used it before, but not in this combination. So I was very pleased with how moisturized my curls were, and that's how it looks. Now, the star of the hour is Sulfur 8 Medicated Original Formula Anti-Dandruff Hair and Scalp Conditioner. Can you believe this product I've been knowing about forever? This product was recommended by a friend, a beloved friend, who said, I just will co-wash my hair, wash my hair, put a little of this on my strands, twist my hair, and it comes out beautiful. And I was like, her curls are about a 3BC curls. So I said, okay, maybe some products work differently on different curls. But I was curious enough to go get it from Walmart. This, I mean, it smells medicated and it looks like this, but this Sulfur 8 did the job on my hair. It moisturized my curls for days, and they were shiny, bouncy. I don't know if that was because of this combination, but it was fabulous. So what I'm going to do now is do this regimen and then take it down, like I said, on Thursday, because at that time, since today is Tuesday, my hair should be perfectly dry. So let's get started. guys, I am complete with the look as far as setting the hair for the definition that you will see on Thursday. This is the hair stretched further with not only the Shea Miracle bouncing curl pudding and not only the sulfur 8 medicated hair formula on the hair together on the strands, but it's a little bit of water, and there you have it. Now, not only that, but I am working on stretching the curls by twisting all of the curls together so that when I finally take them down, they will be a little bit longer, giving the hair a different sort of look. I will see you on Thursday for the takedown. Hey loves, it's Claudia and welcome back. It is officially Friday evening. Now I didn't take these twists down on Thursday because I was making perfectly sure my hair was dry. Well, voila, it is dry today, and this is how my twist out with these two products together for less than $10, how it came out. I used the sulfur 8 medicated original formula anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner. Mind you, I didn't put this on my scalp, I used this on my strands. This retails for between $4 and some change and $5 at Walmart, Rite Aid, depending on where you get it. But this is less than $6. Now, this Bouncy Curls pudding from African Pride, Shea Miracle, retails for $2.98. Together, these products add up to less than $10. Less than $10. And let me just say, I love the way these products work together to give me these moisturized, shiny curls. It is really, really awesome. I am so pleased. Now today I went visiting and a friend of mine said, "How did you get those curls?" And I went through the process saying I would do a video for my channel. I am so pleased with these curls. They're soft, they're bouncy, truly bouncy, they're not sticky, and even though this is a grease, it does not clump my hair together in a sticky, unbecoming fashion. It is very much attractive, feels so good to the touch, and I think it's because of the moisturizing, intensive, bouncy curls pudding that takes away the stickiness of just having grease on your hair. To mask the smell of the sulfur in this sulfur 8 product, don't forget to spray your hair with perfume, and that gets rid of the sulfur smell. And in addition to that, when you style your hair, don't forget to make sure you move the hair out of your face, because it is a grease as far as the sulfur 8, so you don't want your curls resting on your forehead or on the sides of your face, because eventually all day with the sun melting the grease in your hair, it may give you a bit of a bump or so. I've got one right about there, but that's okay. At night, put it up, style your hair differently, and you got it. But this is simply a lovely, lush twist out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, give it a like if you liked it, and share it, and make some conversation. Let's talk below about what you use to moisturize your curls. If your curls are frizzy in the morning from the wear of the day, you can spritz them with a bit of water in that particular section only, and put a little bit of I would say the sulfur 8 on it, retwist it at night, and you get that same definition in the morning. Thank you for watching this video. Besitos y abracitos a todo el mundo. Muchas gracias por ver. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.